First of all, we want to ask what something is like. To ask this, we use a formula, the subject or the noun, and then the phrase thế nào or như thế nào. To answer this, we repeat the subject or the noun, and then we use an adjective that we want to express ourselves. For example, we want to ask, what is Vietnamese like? Tiếng Việt như thế nào? We answer this, Vietnamese is not so difficult. Tiếng Việt không khó lắm. Number 2, we would like to ask what somebody is like. First of all, in terms of personality, we want to ask what somebody is like. We use the formula, the subject or the name of that person, then the phrase là người như thế nào. To answer this, we repeat the subject, the name of that person, the phrase là người, then the adjective that we want to describe. For example, we want to ask, what is Hoa like? Hoa là người như thế nào? She's very nice. Cô ấy là người rất tốt. Next, we still want to ask about a person, but this time regarding their looks. We use a formula, the name of the person, then the verb trông, and the phrase như thế nào. To answer this, we repeat the subject or the name of the person, then a list of adjectives that we would like to describe the person. For example, we would like to ask, what does Hoa look like? Hoa trông như thế nào? To answer this, we say, Hoa is slim with curly long hair. Hoa thì mảnh khảnh với mái tóc xoăn dài. Now, what if we want to say that somebody or something is neither A nor B? You see, the phrase neither nor is expressed in a very simple way in Vietnamese. Không, cũng không. For example, the weather in July is neither hot nor cold. It's warm. Thời tiết vào tháng 7 không nóng, cũng không lạnh. Trời ấm áp. To fully express ourselves, we need a list of adjectives, which is over here.